See, so, as I'm sure I'm going to say, you know, all you have to do to end fear is being willing to experience. See, whatever, you know, like Victor, if he's afraid of public speaking, whatever he's afraid of, if he's willing to experience it, he's not afraid of public, he cannot be afraid of public speaking. See, it's not just like he won't be, he can't be. You understand what I'm saying? See, it's necessary for you to have that disposition in order to create fear. And again, it's not intellectual. You know. I mean, you could, like, if you look at it, you know, it's like somebody's, oh, I'm so afraid all the time, you know, because some people are, right? I'm afraid all the time something bad's going to happen, you know? There's so many possibilities. You see, they've gone through probably many, many possibilities. A meteor could hit me, I could get bit by a snake, you know, somebody could shoot me and, you know, whatever, blah, 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 all these bad things could happen. I get cancer, I could, you know, like that, they probably got, you know, they got a list of stuff, right? See, when they're going, oh my God, you know, something bad can happen, something bad can happen. See, you know, if we pin them down with enough white lights and rubber hoses, you know, we can get them to confess everything that they're afraid of, see? But then they just kind of smush that all into something bad could happen. See, it doesn't matter. See, I'm unwilling to experience. And, again, see, that's something bad. See, watch. That's something bad that can happen is a specific concept. You know what I'm saying? You know? You say, well, yeah, but what's the bad thing? Something bad. That's the bad thing. See, something bad. See, like as if, say, there's a potential out there lurking and waiting to strike me. See, there's this potential danger shit. It's going to hurt me. I don't know where, and that worries me even more. You know, don't know when it's going to strike. It's like the Pink Panther. And what was his name? His sidekick?
Cato.
Cato? He called him Cato, like the Green Hornet?
Right.
Okay, yeah, I could see that. Anyway, do you see what I'm saying? That's a specific. How do you know? Well, take it away. Oh, that's different. Bring it back. Oh, that's different. Oh, and for some reason, I'm afraid of up there. See, I keep going up there. Oh. Like a meteor's going to hit me or something. Cato, okay. He got that from Green Hornet. Yeah. Cato Fong. Unwillingness is not a separate activity or a causal activity. It is fear, or I should say one component of fear. This means that when we are afraid, it's possible to recognize this unwillingness taking place in whatever form it occurs. Once we make this distinction, we can eliminate it. In other words, be completely willing to experience whatever we are resisting. No fear can take place. You see, I told you that. Sounds suspicious, doesn't it? Maybe, but it's true. If this unwillingness is actually a component of fear, then fear cannot occur without it. It also makes it easier to see fear as an activity. Test it out. If you become completely willing to experience falling from the cliff, dying, being injured, being ridiculed by the crowd, looking like a fool, or whatever it is you're afraid of, then you cannot be afraid. You could be uncomfortable, you could be in pain, but you can't be afraid.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.